Okay, so hi. So this is the last part of this unit, and it has been a short one, but sometimes it's a good thing to have a nice, short, easy unit. So this right here is the third triangle congruency posture we'll look at. We've looked at side, 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 where all the sides have to be congruent. We've looked at angle, side, angle, where we have to have two congruent sides, and the included angle in between them also being congruent. Now we are going to look at the final one of the set that we are going to use, angle, side, angle, which, as you can probably imagine by this point, requires us to have two angles and a side in between. So I can pick any two angles in these triangles. I'm just going to pick these two for now. So that's got my angle and my angle taken care of. Now, just kind of like side angle side, we have this side in between the two angles. And just like before, it has to be here. The reason it has to be here is because this is the included side. This is the side that both these angles share. It's the side in between the two angles. It has to be this side. Basically, your angles and side have to be on the same part of the triangle. It should go an angle to a side to an angle. That's the only way the angle side angle is going to work for these. It's just like whenever we looked at side angle side, the angle here in the middle had to be between the two sides, but this time it's flipped. The side has to be between the angles. So if I have a couple more triangles here, and I mark some angles, and then let's say I mark that this side here is congruent. Well, I've got two angles on the side that are congruent, so you think that checks it off, right? But look where this is located, okay? So if I draw the side that this, if I fill in the side of the triangle, highlight it, how many angles does that side go through? It just goes through the one. If I go back to here and I were to highlight this side, how many of those angles does it go through? Well, it goes through both sides, doesn't it? Because this goes through both sides, it's good. This one doesn't. So that makes these two triangles not congruent. Well, I drew that wrong, but. So in order for it to be congruent by side angle side, you have to have two congruent angles and the included side, or the side in between them, also be congruent. Now, if you have any questions, please let me know.